Hi, this is Dr. Al Plechner. I'd like to talk to you today about epilepsy. There's a condition called idiopathic epilepsy because the cause is really unknown, but as a matter of fact, there is a cause for this. The majority of the cats and dogs that I have checked with idiopathic epilepsy all have a hormone antibody imbalance, which involves elevated total estrogen. And what occurs with the total estrogen is it causes inflammation of all the lining of the cells of all the arteries in the body. They're called endothelial cells. And when this happens in the cerebral circulation, it can fire off electrical stimulus to cause all kinds of problems with inflammation, including epileptic seizures. It's simple to do a hormone antibody test to prove this. I've got articles that, certainly you can read about this. It's been reported also in females, humans, that are basically estrogen dominant. When they have their period and their ovarian estrogen kicks in, the summation of the adrenal estrogen and the ovarian estrogen causes this inflammation, and they can not only have migraine headaches, but they can have epileptic seizures also. So there is a way to control this. Normally, the effects are treated, not the cause. And treating the effects, usually phenobarbital are used, sodium or potassium bromides to extend the effects of the phenobarbital. But in my experience with several thousand epileptic seizures, patients with seizures, very simple to do the endocrine immune test, correct the imbalance, re-regulate the immune system, drop the estrogen, and in 80% of these patients, they are on no phenobarbital, no potassium bromide. 20% will be on hormone therapy, including phenobarbital and basically your potassium bromide. And they are controlled, they're well controlled. But you have to be very, very careful with certain foods, because certain foods, if they're allergic to them, can fire off a seizure. So if this sounds of interest to you, I'd love to have you read some of my articles, and hopefully this will help you and your animal understand idiopathic epilepsy. Thank you for listening.